Well, good morning guys. It's day one, official day one of our trip here to Hawaii. We're staying here at this resort beach condo place. I mean, I'm still getting over it. It's such a beautiful place. My family is currently calling me. We're supposed to go to another beach. So time to put some swim trunks on and start off this paradise adventure. Let's go. Well, we just arrived to Makena Beach. Supposedly this is one of the most beautiful beaches, so let's go check it out. Well, I think the rumors and the legends are right. This place is awesome. Look at this. The blueness of the water. Oh my gosh. I've been to the Caribbean a lot, in the Bahamas and places even further south. So it'll be interesting to see how this compares. One thing about Hawaii, it is so humid here. There. I apologize if I hurt your eyes with my extreme whiteness. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro right now. All right, let's go in. And... oh, come on, it's not warm at all. Oh, God, actually it feels really good, I have to be honest. Chilling on the Pacific. Be honest with me right now, do I look stupid? It seems like should be a huge drop off right out here as the water gets darker. So I'm trying to see if I can get there on this floaty if I don't have to swim. Well, it seems like I'm right at the edge. I don't think it's a drop off, I think it's maybe a rock. So you guys can see here what this is. I didn't bring my goggles. Alright, there we go. Now let's see what's under here. You guys already saw it, but I didn't. There's actually fish. I mean, it's not scuba diving, but it's pretty cool. Ready for some montage shots. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed those shots because I got a little seasick, but I'm alright now. Short but sweet. Time to say goodbye to this lovely beach. Now we're going to go see some whales. We have a 1 o'clock appointment, I think, for the whales. It's 12:42. Fish tacos, anyone? Also the mahi tacos.
So 2 XL orders of tacos, 1 of the mahi, 1 no rice, mahi burrito, black beans, extra large shrimp.
It smells so good. Huh?
Feast.
Let's try this. Turns out the boat is leaving at 2. Good thing, because we would have missed it. This boat tour, by the way, is not that cheap. I believe it's about $65, $70 a person. Okay, looks like these are the boats. currently it's peak whale season, so if we don't see anything, then that's a problem. About half the people on this ship just got off because they're feeling queasy. I know that feeling quite well. It could just happen to me. Well, one more hour on here. See if I can catch a really good breach.
We just go see that one whale breaching right outside the harbor. We're going to go see if we can watch him do it again.
Very fun. Try to hear some whales now. The call of the wild, the sounds of nature, the whale hunting in Hawaii.
Good one, guys. Hi, guys.
Thank you. Back from the wild. Gotta admit, that was a pretty cool time lapse, right? We're now back at the hotel. After going and seeing the whales, we came and drove back to the hotel, slept for a little bit, took a rest. One thing that's really nice about coming to Hawaii just after New Year's is it is totally dead here. Not a whole lot of tourists at all, which is very nice. The temperature is also really nice. It's in the 70s and the very low 80s. Also forgot to mention, since it is just after New Year's, Christmas decorations are still up everywhere and it looks really cool here. All right, let's go eat. Tan popo. We're burnt.
Is this, what kind of place is this? Like, is it a Korean place? Is it?
Racist.
Thank you.
Burger very good. Trust me. The meat is so tender and tastes like smoked almost. I just have to give this place a quick plug. Totally worth it. And you know what made it even better was it seems like this is filled with locals. And when locals go to a local shop, you know it's good. Not just a pile of tourists. Definitely recommend that place. Alright guys, and zipping back to our condo, that'll conclude this day, day 2 of our trip here to Hawaii. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.